Welcome dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to start our second chapter, that is PLC Fundamentals. This chapter has a weightage of 18 marks. So let's start with our topic PLC, that is Programmable Logic Controller. PLC is also called as industrial computer. It reads analog or digital input signals and drives analog or digital outputs as per predefined program. PLC uses a programmable memory to store instructions or program. As per the stored program, various functions are performed by PLC such as logic, sequence, timing, counting and arithmetic to control machines and processes. This picture shows Allen Bradley's 1400 series PLC. Model number of this PLC is 1766 L32BXBWA. The same PLC we are going to use in our practicals. Now let's see the block diagram of PLC. The main blocks of PLC are CPU, which consists of processor, data memory and program memory, input module, output module, programming device and power supply. We are going to discuss description of each block in detail. The very first block of PLC is input module. The input modules are used to interface field devices such as sensors, push buttons, limit switches to the PLC. Input modules are also used to provide isolation between field devices and the process. Input module converts process information from input devices into digital values. We can use digital or analog type input modules. The next important block of PLC is CPU. The Central Processing Unit is a microprocessor based control system. CPU accepts input data from various input devices, executes user program from the memory, and sends appropriate commands to the output devices. CPU consists of processor and memory. Memory is divided into two parts, that is data memory and program memory. Memory section of CPU is used to store the control program and data. ROM is a permanent memory used to store operating system and fixed data used by the CPU. RAM is used for the user program and data. Next important block of PLC is output module. Output modules are also interfacing modules of PLC. Output modules are used to interface output devices such as motors, solenoid valves, relays, indicators, etc. to the PLC. Output devices are switched on or off by PLC based on the input conditions and logic given in the program. Next block of PLC is power supply. Power supply provides the required power to the entire PLC system. It converts available AC power into DC power and supplies it to the CPU and input-output modules. Programming devices are used to communicate between user and the PLC. With the help of programming device, we can enter or upload the desired program into memory of CPU. Generally, a personal computer with PLC software is used for programming. In the given picture, a PLC is shown with input-output modules and other special modules. So, from today's lecture, you have to write definition of PLC and function of each block of PLC in your assignment book.